Why is it important to understand God's strength in our weakness? Bakit ba mahalaga na may thumbs up nga? Sino bang walang pagsubok diyan? Sino
Amen.
ba sino bang wala?
Amen, bro. Amen.
On will be from 2 Corinthians 12:9 to 10. Ayan, sino bang pwedeng volunteer na magbasa diyan?
For Christ's sake, I delight in weaknesses, in insult, persecution, in the difficulties, for when I am weak, then I am.
Kung basahin mo, bro. Andiyan ba si Mark Pingol?
Corinthians 12, verse 9 to 10. Ganito ang kanyang sinagot.
Sana.